Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download and install the ShortTV app. So let's get started. So to download and install that, you have to follow this easy step. So first of all, you can just open a Google Play Store. If you are an Android user, if you are an iOS user, you should must use your Apple Store. So go at here left side search button and search for the ShortTV app. Okay, ShortTV app. Just go here, click on here, and you can click on the install button. It will automatically download and install the app. So by this way you can do it, and it's an easy way too. If you scroll down, you can also see the ratings of the app and other ratings too by scrolling here. So it's a basically it's a good app. You can use it. Okay, and if you have any question, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and share the video. And also, thank you for watching.